The Idaho Department of Water Resources has issued a moratorium against new water rights across the Snake River Plain. The department will carry out this order for the foreseeable future. Many farmers with existing water rights have to make adjustments every year and never receive the entire amount of water they need. Water Resources says adding new water rights would just hurt those with current water rights even more. And most of this is due to low reservoirs due to the ongoing drought. There are exceptions to this order.
If it's a non-consumptive use, so the water isn't lost to Idaho or to the source from which it's diverted, then we would still allow those with scrutiny. And a classic example of that is a water right for recharge, where when there's lots of water running off due to snowmelt and flood releases, people capture that water and put it in the ground for recharge. Those types of applications can still be processed.
Matthew Weaver says he is hoping for an above-average snowpack this winter to make up the deficit for water rights holders.